Hi everybody and welcome to the live streaming. So hope you guys are doing well, hope you are in the profit of course. So I will be streaming and sharing with you the upcoming setup that I will watch and what I have on my radar. And during the webinar, if you want to ask anything, just feel free to use the live chat. I can see both chats from the YouTube and from the trading view, so feel free to ask anything that bothers you. Feel free to share anything and we will discuss about it. Okay, so let's wait a couple of minutes. I see that we started the webinar 3 minutes earlier, and yeah, let's wait those couple minutes so the others can join as well, and then we will start with the setups. First I will go to the DXY and then major currencies, and then I will follow through the whole market so that you know how we'll be following. And during the webinar, if you have any questions for any specific pair that you want me to take a look, write it in the chat and I will simply add it and watch it for you, and then we can have a discussion about the pair. And of course, if there are any crypto guys, you can still ask any question about the crypto setups or whatever you're interested for. But I will add it at the beginning of the webinar. I will add it and we will discuss about those crypto pairs. I love to discuss about cryptos. Basically, I like to discuss about everything on the markets. All right. So let's wait 2 more minutes and then we will start. Okay. 1 more minute and then we will start. Let me just post on Instagram to remind people that we are live. Alright, so let's start now with the DXY. Okay, that's the dollar index, and what we have over there is that I still think and believe that the DXY will go for one more leg higher. Okay, so I see that we will be climbing slowly back to that high again, maybe retest the top again, and then we will start going lower. So why do I see the dollar to go lower? Is because of the higher time frame. If I go on the daily, okay, daily it's showing to me that we will go lower. That looks like a pretty nice running flat. Okay, so that's a running flat. This is the one wave to the upside, this is the wave to the downside, and this is the third wave of the running flat. Price can still go and test this top, but then we will talk about the expanded flat. But we aren't go that much in the future. For now, I really do anticipate that we will have the running flat, and this will be the running flat completion over there at the retest of the previous top, and then we will start pushing lower and break all those lows. We will go outside of this structure. Okay, this will give me a very nice setups on the other pairs. Of course, the major pairs will react to that, and they will give us a really nice setups. Okay, so what I will do based on this view and based on this anticipated move to downside, I will be watching Euro USD to buy. Okay, that's the reason why I will be buying the Euro USD. I think that this is still the corrective structure. Okay, this is still the corrective structure, same as on DXY, running flat, and we will go for this wave to the upside. This can go pretty fast, but it gives us very nice potential risk to reward ratio. There will be a bunch of setups, so you will be able to add more trades. Personally, I will add many trades as I can, and all the way back to this top hour there. Okay, so I'm planning to fully focus on your USD. So this is the setup that I will watch into details and track it all the time. New Zealand USD as well, same there. Okay, so this will go first to the downside, then it will start heading to the upside. I still see that this is the small correction which has to break lower before we'll go higher. Okay, so we are having the correction, and we will go break down very quickly and then going up. Very easy, right? This is the move that I want to personally catch, and this is the move where I will be keep on constantly adding the trades. I don't think this is all what we have over there, because the momentum it's pretty bad over there. The momentum it's not looking good. I don't love the momentum as it is over there, and it's setting up for one more quick downside as it did over there. It gives us the correction. This was the correction for buy. Okay, so everyone was watching for buy, and there was the correction which gives us a pretty nice sign that it will just go and break this low. So what it did, it went down quickly, break the low, and start breaking up then. So there it could be the same behavior, okay, same exactly scenario. This to go lower, break those lows over there, definitely struggle a little bit, and then it will start for this move to the upside. Personally, I was in buy and closed the buy because I really don't see the move going up from there. Okay, I really don't see that move will go up with this kind of the momentum. If do so, then it has to break out, it has to give me the correction, and then I will be buying again. But until I don't have this kind of the confirmation, I ain't gonna chase the price. So I will be sticking for this move to the downside. Okay, so this is the move to the downside, because the DXY can still extend for this move as well. Okay, so this will be all caused by the DXY. Okay, this movement over there, at least back to the previous top, this is the minimum, and this will gives us their extension to the downside, and as well on the New Zealand USD one more extension to the downside as well. So if you feel comfortable, if you have the strategy, you can go for this movement. I will go for this sell definitely. This will be the quick money, not quick money, quick trade, sorry. Quick trade with not big risk. I usually lower my risk for these last pushes to the downside, and then I will start building my positions for this move to the upside over there. Okay, pretty easy, very simple analysis, easy to understand. We just have to decide what we will do. We just have to apply our strategy and go for the movement. If you want to trade the sell, you can go for it. I will go for this sell, and then definitely I'll start building the bigger trades over there for the big buy. Same there, Aussie USD, it's keep on building those corrections. Okay, so it went lower, it corrects, went lower, correct, went lower, correct, went lower, correct. What the price will do, it will go lower. Okay, this will be the last push to the downside, which I see happening over there, will appear. I really don't see that this will go up as it stands right now. As I've mentioned before, this is not the momentum on all the dollars. I don't see the momentum for this movement yet. Okay, I'm aiming for this movement, but the price it's not ready yet. It's not there. It doesn't have the momentum for this movement, so we will have to wait. We will have to wait, but definitely we can go and trade this move to downside. Easily. If you have the strategy, if you know how to trade it, if you are using risk management and so on, just go for it. Okay, so I don't see any reasons why not. Why not? If you have the strategy, we all can go for the movement. AUSD is the trade that I will personally go as well for this sell. This is a nice sell from me, and then of course I will start watching to buy from there for another low. So this will not be a long trade. I will not be holding this trade for a long. I will get in and I will remove the profits as soon as this low will be broken. Okay, so as soon as this low will be broken somewhere there, I will start to taking off my profits and will not hold the trade for a longer term. Okay, pound USD. This one is what I will not trade. Of course, I don't see this setup over there. Alright, but what the price will do? Price will probably go lower. Okay, that's probably just the forecast, and then it will go up. It can go up of the structure and it can go totally up later on. So currently I don't see any opportunity. I will not be trading as it stands right now. It's in the middle of the structure, risk to reward ratio, it's pretty bad, and this is the reason why I will not go for it. Okay, sometimes you have to just go for the next trade. If this one is not making sense, then you just pick another one. That's how I trade. This is my trading style. Okay, my rules. Okay, so this is what I will ignore, but if you have the strategy, probably the price will go lower. Okay, but it's not good. I really don't recommend you going for it. I rather recommend everyone to skip the pound USD for now. It's not for us. USDN, it will go and push to the upside. As you can see, it's already start pushing higher. Okay, this is the 1, this is the 2, and this is the 3. Okay, nice flag correction over there, and it's pushing to the upside. I really anticipate that the price will go tag this top. It can go really fast and tag those highs, or even go tagging this one and then start to reverse. We have no idea, but if you want, you can go for the buy. Buy is something that you can go. I personally will not go for this buy on the yen pair. I will patiently wait. I don't know, but I really don't like it. Okay, I really don't like this buy, so that's why I will skip it. Simply, I have the other pairs which are looking better. USD CAD, this one will go for another extension to the upside. Okay, this move to the upside, then we will start going for the lower. Okay, this is the move which I will go for it. I will now ignore this buy over there, because I would rather trade this buy on Euro USD and New Zealand USD and Aussie USD. Okay, this is where I will trade this buy of the dollar. Okay, this move will be traded on Euro USD, New Zealand USD and Aussie USD from my side. Okay, because I personally don't have the setup over there. I don't have the setup appearing over there. USD Chief, this one is good as well. Okay, so as you can see, there's a nice 1, 2, 3 flag. It's perfectly done. So how far the price will push? It will go and push all the way back to trend line, and then you can take profit. So as you see already, I'm showing you those small trades. Small trades, I mean short-term trades. Let's say that way. These are the short-term trades. Okay, that means I will not hold them for a long. What I will hold for a long is this. This is the trade that I will hold for a longer term, and this is where I will be making money. Okay, this is just for small money, this is for big money, and I will be keep on adding trade as soon as the market will give me corrections like these on lower time frame as well. Okay, so you always have a chance to get into the trade if you are in the proper direction, of course. Okay, so that's from the major pairs. This is how we'll watch them. This is tradable, this is tradable, this is tradable, and this is tradable from my side. I don't want to trade pound USD because it's on bad spot. USDN as well on that. I don't like it. We'll rather wait for the sell stop from the top of the structure from there. And USD CAD is something that I will not chase. Okay, we'll as well wait for sell stop from the top of the structure. So I will be trading this buy over there and this sell to the downside and then this sell to the downside. Okay, easy. I hope this will be the quick trade. Hope it will start moving fast as it did over there. Okay, something like this is what I do anticipate. Move like this, stronger, move the downside, breaking the top, and I will remove the profits and go for the buy. Okay, so short term trades are there. So guys, are you trading those major pairs? Quickly give me some feedback. Use the live chat. Let me know. Are you more for the short-term trades, longer-term trades? What is your focus, guys? Are you even trading the major currencies? Or would you rather wait for the longer-term setups? Come on guys, use the live chat, don't feel ashamed. We are all here to share the experience, to help each other. So if you have any questions, just feel free to write the question in the chat so we can discuss a little bit. Okay, so let's go. Let's follow with the next setups. I will discuss now about the other setups which are there as well, and during my explanation feel free to use the live chat. So let's go Aussie CAD. I do anticipate that this will go lower as well. It looks like a corrective structure. It's going up correctively, so that means we will see another leg to downside sooner or later, which will go break the previous low as well, and then we can decide to start buying. But I will definitely not be buyer from as it stands right now. Okay, that's not the spot from where I will be buying it. Same there, Aussie Chief, watching for sell. It's currently correcting. Okay, this chart is going up correctively. Okay, and this is very important to recognize from the chart. You will have to be able to recognize if the chart is moving correctively or impulsively. Okay, so you have to be able to recognize that this is the correctively moving. Okay, this is correction. It doesn't move anywhere and it goes in the correction. This is what you will have to train your eyes. This is correctively moving and this is impulsively moving. This is the correctively moving, this is the impulsively moving. Okay, this is really important to understand and to train your eyes in this direction, because based on that you will see the next upcoming moves easily. All right, and of course if you will be in this kind of trade, you will know as well what to do in these kind of situations. Pound Aussie, this will be a nice buy probably, as it is sitting over there. This looks like a pretty nice expanded flat over there. This is the expanded, and then another push to the upside. It's very possible this could be a very quick movement, and then we will start heading to the downside. So very good, nice move. These are the short-term moves. I'm showing you the short-term movement for this week. Okay, in this week I do not anticipate that the longer-term setups will plays out. For the longer-term setups, you will have to wait for the next week. So those who are trading only the longer-term setups, you will have to focus next week probably. Okay, because now I see more short-term setups or medium-term setups that are playing currently in the market and preparing. Euro Aussie as well. Look at that one. This is the next move to the upside as well. Same kind of structure over there, correction. Okay, and then we will start heading to the upside. This is the move that I see over there playing out on the charts. Okay, as well, short-term or medium-term setup, not longer. So that means you will not be holding it forever. That's gonna be the short-term profit. Hello. All right, so let's move forward, and then New Zealand pairs. Okay, so as well you can see pretty nice from the picture that this is rising correctively. Okay, that's the correctively sliding upside. Okay, so corrective movement, slowly, no momentum is dead. This is how we can see the price, and what we can anticipate is the price will drop anytime soon. Okay, these are the corrections, and based on these kind of the movement, market is telling to us that we will go into another direction pretty soon. Okay, so as well, corrective going down, so that means price will just push to the downside anytime soon. So we can go for this move to the downside if we have the strategy to go for it. New Zealand CAD. Oh, there's some bug, it's not loading. Come on. It's not loading the chart. Let's wait a minute. Oh, it's back. So perfect. Let's continue. New Zealand CAD, yes, as well. This one has some room to go lower. This room has to be filled. Okay, so I think that this is a pretty nice expanded flat over there, and we will go down anytime soon. So it's a very good trade. You can take it. That's a good trade. And all the way back to the trend line. This is how you can trade it. As well, short to medium term setup. You won't hold it forever. That's gonna be the week-long trade. Okay, and as soon as it will break the lows, you can consider taking some profits of the market. Okay, so good trade to watch. I will definitely keep an eye on this one to go back at the previous low. Okay, so I will just mark it with the blue so I can watch it. Pound New Zealand, I don't personally like it. Okay, so this is the setup. It will probably go as well higher. It will probably go as higher, but I don't like it. Okay, I don't like it because it's too sharp and we are outside of the structure, and yeah, but I'm not saying you can trade. You can trade if you have the strategy. You can trade because it will probably hit the top. It will go lower, probably give you a higher degree correction, and then it will continue its way to the upside, but I don't like it. I have many other pairs which are looking great and they are in alignment with my rules, so that's the reason why I will not trade it. As well, the Euro New Zealand. Okay, so these are the couple of pairs that you can trade. This is the expanded thread over there at the top of the structure. So if you have any strategy, whatever you're waiting for the confirmation, if you wait for any kind of flag over there, you can still go for this move to the upside. Okay, it will go at least tag the previous top. Those are all the shorter movements I'm currently sharing with you. Chifian. Okay, alright, so this one looks like a nice corrective structure. It will go probably for another leg higher. I don't trade it as well. I don't like it. I would be a seller, as I have told you at the beginning when I was explaining the USD, and I would miss this movement on yen pairs, and then I will be a seller over there from the top of the structure, it makes more sense to me, and I just don't resonate with this buy over there. Urian, same there. This is the expanded flat, and yes, you can go for this buy. Okay, so if you feel comfortable, if you know what you're doing, if you have the strategy, if you have your rules, if you have your trading plan, go for this movement. Okay, you can go for this movement. It will go, and it can give you some nice profits over there. Okay, probably for this week's trade, that's all what you'll get. And then next week we'll be focusing on the bigger movements to the downside. Cadian, same there. This one has finished the correction. Okay, 1 2 3. This is the finished correction. Now it's just building the momentum for the upside. You can consider taking a buy over there. Okay, it's looking great. Follow your rules and go into that direction. There's nothing to be afraid of. Ozian, this is the buy, but I don't like it. This is not looking good chart, so I will not even comment it. It's not for us. Don't trade it. Okay, it's not. Don't trade it. New Zealand yen as well. Okay, so not looking good chart, so I will just remove the drawings, and yeah, that's not for us. Pound yen as well. Okay, so don't chase it, but it will go higher. Okay, so this one is expanded flat. It will go higher. At least take the previous top, and then it will reverse the downside. I would either ignore it or trade with lower risk if I wanted to take it, but I will not. So your cat, this is totally not tradable for me, because this one can just go a little bit higher. This is a nice structure over there, 1 2 3, as you can see, 1 2 and 3. Okay, how far it can go tag the top, and then it can go back to the low. So if you want, you can go for this medium term setup. I would rather wait for the longer term sell setup over there on the EuroCAD. Okay, so go for it if you have the strategy. This is the move which I do anticipate, and you can go for it. Very nice structure over there. It's completed flag over there. Just go for it. Tagging this high, it's your target. Okay, so this is how far you can be trading. This is the range where the EuroCAD will be probably moving in the next upcoming months. Okay, go for this, and then down this. Okay, here this is the picture that I see over there. Pretty easy chart, but I would rather wait for this sell. Pound CAD, there's some mess that we have over there. Okay, so but yeah, this one will go higher definitely. This is the 1 2 3 4 and 5 wave structure. It's something we will have over there. It's going to go higher. Okay, if you have the strategy, here is as well one medium term setup. So you see, I'm sharing with you the medium term setups for this week, for the week we are currently in. There are 2 days left, let's say like that. Today is Thursday, so yeah, Thursday, Friday, and maybe even Monday, these movements will be developing over there. And the CAD Chief, I don't like it. This is something I will just completely ignore. I don't like the setup, and we'll just not talk about it. Alright, okay guys, so here we are, almost at the end of the webinar. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to use it, to write it in the live chat. I will answer all your questions. So This week, these short-term trades can be very interesting. Don't take them all. Don't take all those setups that I'm sharing with you. Take a couple of them and stick to risk to reward ratio. Okay, so I will end the webinar over there. If you guys will have any questions later on, just feel free to leave a comment under the video and I will answer your question in the next live streaming. Okay, so for now, take care, enjoy your day and watch setups patiently. Take care and see you in the next live streaming. Bye bye.